Hello, my name is Minh Thảo Nguyễn. I come from wind vertical axis turbine. As you can see in Sweden, we have a very long coastline, about 3,000 kilometers. So people that they don't know how to use wind and energy in useful way. So we think we can help them to use energy in more higher efficiency. We can provide solution by providing a wind standalone system that can have function, can convert wind energy into electricity. So with the project, the customers, they don't need to pay the transmission fee compared to national grid, and for long term they can use electricity for free. Our idea original come from scientific aspect. We already have some publication, and then we demonstrate the technology is working well. So when we think about the UIC, is kind of super supportive organization, especially for early startup, also for people have want to bring the idea in commercial market. We are starting start journey. So we also demonstrating the technology in the full scale. So in the on-site test.